Hi students, today we will discuss the hints and solution of the question paper which is given in KCET 2026 and subject mathematics. Now coming to the questions one by one. The first question, f of x is a piecewise function they are given. Limit x tends to 1, f of x is what? 2, and limit x tends to 2, f of x, when left hand limit, right hand limit, we will get 3, so that the answer is second option. Here it is y cube minus y equal to tan x. The derivative of y cube minus y, 3y square minus 1 into dy by dx equals to tan x differentiation is secant square x. So the answer is secant square x by 3y square minus 1. Now this one, it is continuous at x equals to 1. So that left hand limit a plus 7 is equals to the function value 2. So that a equal to minus 5. And the right hand limit 1 plus 3 by b equal to 2. Then b equal to 2. Now fourth question, this is what 3 cos inverse x, and this is 2 cos inverse x. Second order derivative, right? Now coming to the first order derivative is 3 by 2 constant you will get, and the second order derivative is 0. Now sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square, this is what 2 tan inverse x. The derivative of 2 tan inverse x is 2 by 1 plus x square. This is 2 by 1 plus 1 by 4, so that it is 8 by 5, right? Now this one, it is a homogeneous equation, so that dy by dx equals to y by x, we can say that it is a homogeneous equation, so the degree is same. So the left side degree 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, so that it is 5 by 6. So n value obviously is a 5 by 6. Now they have given the Mukund, a drone camera is moving along this, the y coordinates changes 9 times as fast as x coordinate, so that the dy by dx equals to 9. So by solving this, we'll get x square equal to 9, x equal to plus or minus 3. If we substitute plus 3 here, then 3y equal to 27 minus 3 is 24, y equal to 8, so 3 comma 8. So next one, after doing that, we do get the maximum number of shares, so that to do the first differentiation, make it equal to 0, so that it is minus 6t square plus 6t equal to 0. Then we'll get t equal to 0 or 1, so that it is 1. Now here first do the differentiation, so that x into f of x plus f dash of x by 2 equal to 0. Now that we'll get f dash of x by f of x equal to, so here we get minus 2x, take integration on both sides, so that log f of x equal to minus x square will get, so that f of x equal to e power minus x square, option 3. Now one of the possible functions, f of x minus 2 to 2, f of x equal to 0, so which means what, f of x should be odd function, so that this is not odd function, this is not odd function, this is not an odd function, so the first option is an odd function, right? So here clearly x plus 6 equal to t, then lower boundary will become a, upper boundary will become b, and dx equal to dt, so that option 3. This one, it is tan power nx into secant square x dx, so that it is under the formula of f of x whole power n into f dash of x whole dx, so that is plus c, so that fourth option. Next, this one is 2 power minus x, this is what 2 power minus x into 2 power x, these two will get cancelled, so what will get, integration of 1, integration of 1 is what, x. Now the area under the curve, that is what, integration of 1 to 8 with respect to the y-axis, so that it is y power 2 by 3 dy, so it is like 3 by 5, y power 5 by 3 1 to 8. After solving this, you get 93 by 5. So this is what, x square plus y square equal to 3, area is 3 pi r square, r square is 3, right? Now to make a polynomial, here we have to do squaring on both sides. The y double dash here, if you observe that after squaring on both sides, already y double dash whole square is there, so that here will get 4. So the order is 2 and the degree is 4. What we get, sum of squares of the order and degree, so that it is 4 plus 16. The answer is 20. Next, number of subsets A which contain at least 2 elements, so that it is 2 power 6 minus of 6c0 plus 6c1, that is 64 minus 7, that is 57. Yeah, it's a very easy question. And only even numbers, number of non-empty subsets, clearly non-empty subsets, number of even subsets of 2 power 5 minus 1 is 31. The domain, by verification itself we can easily say we can accept 7 because of x minus 7 is the numerator. We cannot accept 9, so that the option 2. So that it is 2 power 2 into n of b equal to 1024, that is 2 power 10. The 2 n of b value is 5. Now coming to this, P of A probability if at least one of the events occur, A and B is 0.6. P of A and B occur simultaneously with the probability 0.2, so that P of A plus P of B equal to P of A and B plus P of A intersection B, 0.6, 0.2, that is what, 0.8. Then we just want P of A bar plus P of B bar, which is nothing but 2 minus 0.8, that is 1.2. The maximum value for this is root 2. So already 30 is there. Root 2, how you will get? It has to become 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, then only it will become root 2. So make it 1 by root 2, already 30, so we want 15. 15 is 5 by 12. The angles of a triangle are in AP. The greatest angle is double the least angle. So if angles are in AP in a triangle 180, so that 3A equal to 180, so that A equal to 60. I have mentioned that we don't need to find the value of this, then sign off this, right? They have given the greatest angle is double the least angle, which means what? A plus D, 2A minus 2D, so that A equal to 3D, A means 60 equal to 3D, so that D equal to 20, D 20. Anyway, they want sign of the third angle, means here in the question there is a confusion that the greatest angle about the double the least angle, and so that 60 minus 20 is the first one, 40, 60, and 60 plus 20, 80. These are the three angles. They have taught about these two. They want the sign of the third angle, means the remaining angle is the sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Next, the mean and the standard deviation given. Mean number of terms n equal to here 100, mean x bar equal to 50, and the standard deviation sigma equal to 4. Now coming to the formula, that sigma xi square by 100 minus 50 whole square equal to 16. Because of sigma square, I have written sigma square equal to 16. So that after solving this, we'll get 2,51,600, right? The probability of occurrence of neither A nor B. They have given A and B are mutually exclusive, means P of A intersection B is 0 here, so that we want P of neither A nor B, that is clearly 1 minus of P of A and B, 1 minus of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 10 minus P of A intersection B is 0. So that here after solving this, what we'll get is 1 minus is 1 minus 8 by 10, so that is 1 by 5. Next is a very easy question, b greater than 6, so that if you substitute 8, a will get 6, so from 6 1 3, boards level question. And here the graph. So the reflection of f of x in the line y equal to x means inverse we have to find, and clearly x is greater than or equal to 1, right? So that in case of x is greater than or equal to 1, x plus 1 whole square equal to y, x plus 1 equal to root y, right? We won't get x equals to root y minus 1. Actually it is plus or minus y, but in case of that x is greater than or equal to 1, then we'll get only positive. We won't get the negative root, because of anyway x is greater than or equal to 1, x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 2, so that x plus y should not equal to minus root y, right? So the answer is 3. Now sin inverse x plus sin inverse y equal to pi by 2. Usually here it should be cos inverse x, so that sin inverse y equal to sin inverse of root over 1 minus x square, so that y square equal to 1 minus x square, x square equal to 1 minus y square. So that here we can write this one as tan inverse of 2 minus 1 by 1 plus 2 into 1, tan inverse of 3 minus 2 by 1 plus 3 into 2, plus and so on like that. So by simplifying this, we'll get a tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2, plus and so on, plus tan inverse of n plus 1 minus tan inverse of n. So by seeing this, tan inverse of 2 minus tan inverse of 2, tan inverse of 3 and plus minus like that, if you cancel, here we'll get tan inverse of n plus 1 minus tan inverse of 1, so that it will become tan inverse of n plus 1 minus 1 by 1 plus n plus 1. So 1 gets cancelled, we'll get 1. It's the same, it's a very easy question. We have got maximum at 2 points, that is 15p plus 15q equal to 20q, so that 15p equal to 5q, 3p equal to q, fourth option. So anyway, that 2 corner points 2, and each pair of dice even prime number is 2 comma 2 only itself, so that 1 by 36. Now coming to the next question, which is the probability of man is like 20, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 respective. The probability of neither same procedure, 1 minus of p of a and b. Clearly the ages of those two are independent, p of a plus p of b minus p of a into p of b we have, right? Now coming to this, dy by dx minus x by 1 minus x square y equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Now the integrating factor for this question after solving this, that is what, 4, because of e power minus x by 1 minus x square, 1 by 2 into 2 we have to do. So e power 1 by 2 log of 1 minus x square will get, that is root over 1 minus x square. The easy probability based theorem question, p of a stroke l, that is equal to p of a into p of l stroke a by sigma p of a into p of l stroke a, right? So all the values are given, p of a, p of b, p of c, p of d given, and this is what p of l stroke a, like that, p of r stroke a, all the values are given. After solving this, we'll get the option 1 by 3. Now here, this is what I can write it as tan square theta minus 4 tan theta plus 4 equal to 3. So tan theta minus 2 whole square equal to root 3 whole square. So that clearly tan theta equal to 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. So that alpha plus beta 2 plus root 3 is so the tan theta, one of the answer is 75, and one of the answer is 15. So that alpha plus beta 75, alpha minus beta 15, because of it is about 75, it is about 15. So that 45 and 30. Now root over minus 1 is I power 2n. So I square plus I power 4 plus I power 6 plus I power 8. I square, I power 4, I power 6, I power 8 gets cancelled. The answer is 3. Now it is 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6, x less than or equal to minus 3. 38, 1. 10 distinct points on a circle. So number of triangles is 10C3. 10C3 is nothing but 10 into 9 into 8 by 3 into 2 into 1. So that it is 120. So statement 1 is wrong. Number of chords is 10C2. So that is 10 into 9 by 2, 45. Statement 2 is correct. Statement 1 is false. Statement 2 is correct. Option 4. So that when k and 5 fixed, the remaining objects are 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that is 6 factorial by 2 factorial because of 2 2's repeated. So this is 6 into 120 by 2, 2 ones are 2 3s are. So this is 360. Now coming to the 41, the numerator is x plus 1 whole cube, the denominator is x plus 1 whole power 4. So that it is 1 by x plus 1. After simplifying, we can simplify because of anyway denominator not equal to 0. So that answer is 1 by 3. Now root 2 and 4, the resulting sequence are in GP in between two numbers. So that one is alpha, one is beta and 4 for suppose. Then common ratio, if you insert two numbers in between root 2 and 4, the common ratio is 4 by root 2 whole power 1 by 3. So that r equal to root 2. So that if the first term is root 2, common ratio is root 2, then the second term is root 2, 2. Third term is 2 root 2, that is what, root 8, and fourth term is 4. Right. Now, A is a square matrix. A is a which not a square matrix, is a rectangular matrix. So A 3. So all the four options satisfy. If a square matrix A transpose equal to A, it's a symmetric matrix. B 1. So these two options are wrong. Now coming to the C. The diagonal elements of a diagonal matrix are same. It's a scalar matrix. So option 3. If A is a non-singular matrix, then A inverse exists. It's true. Statement 1 is true. Because of here that A is not equal to 0. So this is a board's question. It's a skew symmetric matrix. True. Both statements are true. Next, a row matrix has one row with one or more columns. Same, it's also a board question. Which of the following is correct? Determinant is square matrix wrong. Determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Determinant is a unique number associated to a square matrix. Determinant is not defined for square matrix wrong. So option 3. If A and B are invertible matrices of same order, then which of the following is not correct? Invertible matrices. It's true, true, this is true. So this one is not correct. So our option is 1. 48. Option is 1. Because of they want not correct. A and B are invertible matrices of order n, then which of the following is not correct? Here also not correct. So det AB, det A into det B correct. K over and det A correct. Det of A transpose is nothing but det A. So here right hand side 1 by det of A inverse is 1 by det A. So the det A. Det of A transpose is det A correct. So this one is wrong. But we want not correct. So option is 3. Next, so same normal question. If you solve this, we'll get 122. Now this one. 1 by 2 not equal to 2 by 3. Unique solution. So clearly, if magnitude of a bar plus b bar equal to magnitude of a bar minus b bar, so that a bar dot b bar equal to 0, so that it is 2 alpha plus 2 beta minus 2 equal to 0, so that clearly alpha plus beta equal to 1. Here clearly a b two vectors are given, a bar dot c equal to 3. This you can solve by using verification. So we want 3. So if I select first option as C, one will get 5 by 3 plus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. This will get cancelled. We'll get 5 by 3. Wrong. So that negative should not present. So if you select 3, option 3, what will get? Dot product 5 by 3, 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 9 by 3. 9 by 3 is what? 3. Option 3. Means orthogonal a bar dot b bar equal to 0, so that 2 plus 2 lambda plus 3 equal to 0, then lambda equal to minus 5 by 2. Angle between the lines whose direction ratios? Direction ratios, if you do the a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2, will get 0. So if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0, then the angle between them is 90. Now here it is x minus 1 equal to y plus 1 by 2 equal to z minus 3 by 2 equal to k, the first one. Then cos theta equal to a1 a2 a1 a2 b1 b2 and c1 c2 by this one 1 plus 2 plus 2 1 plus 4 plus 4 root 9 is equal to 3, and this is what? Root 6. So cos theta equal to 6 by 3 root 6. Root 6 cancel. So that is what? Root over 4 by 6 root over 2 by 3. Right. Next 57. We can solve this question by using verification, because of they have given L2 which passes through 3 comma minus 1, and we want the equation of L2. I can choose the first option for suppose if it is 12 plus 3 minus 9 not equal to 0. Wrong. And so that this one also wrong. So that here 12 minus 3 minus 9 equal to 0. So that option 3. Now here alpha greater than beta greater than or equal to 0, the section is hyperbola, correct? Here to section ellipse there should be beta less than 90 degrees. So statement 1 is true, statement 2 is false. Now this one also, if it is a right angle triangled at B 4 comma a comma 9, here 2 comma 4 comma 3, here it is 10 comma minus 1 comma 7, I can say that it is AB dot BC equal to 0 dot product. So that AB, so coming to this dot product, what will get? AB is 2 ds of AB 2 a minus 4 6 dot BC 6 minus 1 minus a comma minus 2. Now dot product 12 plus a minus 4 into minus 1 minus a minus 12 equal to 0, so that these two will get cancelled. Clearly a equal to 4 and a equal to minus 1. Now this one same, so that it's a finite quantity. So if I substitute 9 minus 3a minus 3b equal to, we get 0, because to make it finite quantity it should be numerator should be 0. 3 into a plus b equal to 9, so that a plus b equal to 3. So that third option. Thank you.